You think your heart's main enemy is a high number on the blood pressure monitor? That's just the tip of the iceberg. The real silent killer operates in the shadows. It's not just the pressure, but what creates it, the stiffness of your arteries. Welcome beyond the cuff. Imagine this. Here is a flexible garden hose. Your heart pushes a bolus of blood into it. It stretches elastically, cushioning the impact. Now an old rigid pipe. Every pulse of fluid reverberates with force, straining the entire system. Your arteries are like those hoses. Over time, they can turn into rigid pipes. And here's the paradox. Your usual systolic and diastolic pressure might be almost normal. But this is a deceptive calm. While arteries lose elasticity, the heart must work under strain. And the shockwave from each heartbeat mercilessly batters the brain, kidneys, and vessels. It's a silent epidemic that doesn't start at 60 but already at 30 to 40. Why does this happen? At the molecular level, the culprits are cross-links in the collagen protein, making the artery wall stiff like an overcooked steak, and the degradation of elastin, our natural elastic scaffold. And the main allies of this process are the modern diet high in sugar and processed foods, chronic stress, and a sedentary lifestyle. They accelerate vascular aging. A stiff artery is not a local problem. It's a systemic failure. Graphics, brain drain. Constant microtraumas impair neuron nourishment, accelerating cognitive decline and increasing stroke risk. Graphics, heart. The struggling heart. The left ventricle must pump blood into a stiff system. It thickens, weakens, which can lead to heart failure. Graphics, kidneys. Kidney dysfunction. Sensitive renal glomeruli are damaged by increased pulse pressure, impairing filtration and raising pressure even more. A vicious cycle. How to catch this silent killer? We need new tools. Already today, in 2026, methods are available that measure not pressure, but pulse wave velocity, a simple and accurate indicator of aortic stiffness, or the augmentation index, showing how much the reflected wave increases the load on the heart. This is the gold standard for vascular health diagnostics, going far beyond the standard cuff. The good news: this process can be slowed and even partially reversed. And it all starts with lifestyle. Dietary reset. Focus on anti-inflammatory foods. Beets, a source of nitrates for endothelial health. Dark chocolate, fatty fish omega-3. Leafy greens, berries. Minimize processed foods. Movement as medicine. These aren't just general words. Regular aerobic training, brisk walking, running, swimming, and strength exercises are proven ways to improve arterial elasticity. Stress management, meditation, breathing practices. Sleep your shield against cortisol, which damages blood vessels. The future lies in personalized medicine and your personal responsibility. Healthy, elastic arteries are the foundation not just of a long, but of a high-quality, active life. Start caring for them today. Don't just monitor your pressure. Look deeper.